Alright, how to do trams. Just gotta watch the left side here because cars aren't sure where they're going. You might have to state your claim with a car and let them know you're there. But trams, just nice and steady, easy fit all the time, nice speed going past them, not too fast, nice and easy. Now, these lanes, the tram and road lanes, cars get confused. They don't know if they should follow the tram tracks or the lines on the road, or whatever it is. Like that car there, doesn't know if he should look at me or look at a car. They get easily distracted, these four-wheelers. Basically, you go if there's no one coming. That's a trick. Not sure where he's going or why he's going. I think he's confused too. They get easily distracted, these four-wheelers. Easily distracted. Alright, you're going that way? Well, if you're going that way, give me a gap. You see what I mean? Easily distracted. Gap. Cheers, mate. Alright, speed hump. Bounce. Another speed hump. Bounce. Okay. And that's it for today, folks. A few lessons in modern navigation.